Alright, what's up guys? It's Sebastian. You could probably already tell that this is a completely different setting. So this will be the last video that you see in 2017. It's December 31st and I'm putting this out because I have a couple of goals and I wanted to share them with you, and I wanted to encourage you guys to also write down your own goals. So I literally have a piece of paper here and I literally wrote this December 31st, 2017. I have 7,327 subs. I have 184,000 views on my channel. And my goal for 2018 is to own a GTR and to buy my first piece of real estate. Basically, I want to come back a year from now and I want to see this video and I want to be able to say that I've achieved all my goals. And I want you guys to do something similar. You know, you can leave it in the comment section below, or you can just write it on a piece of paper like I did and frame it, put it on your wall. But I want you guys to create a goal, and it doesn't have to be unrealistic. It doesn't have to be crazy. But I just want you to create a goal and to achieve that goal. And like I said, it doesn't matter what it is, because success isn't measured by how much money you make. It's by being able to do things that you say you want to do. So if you want to become a doctor and you become a doctor, you're successful. You're doing something that you want to do. And for me, it's a whole different story. You know, I never wanted to go to college. I wanted to make my money online, all that good stuff. I always wanted a GTR. And so being able to accomplish these things is my way of saying that I'm successful. It doesn't matter how much money I make. It matters if I'm doing what I love to do, if I'm just having the best possible life that I could. Set a goal, whatever you want to do in life. If you want to work a little bit less, if you want to go out a little bit more, travel a little bit more, if that's your goal, then set it as that goal. It doesn't always have to be money, and achieve it. And honestly, guys, achieving your goals is the best possible feeling that there is ever. It's better than anything. It's better than owning any supercar, even though I've never owned one. It's better than anything. It's just achieving your goals. That is the true form of success. It's just saying you want to do something and then doing it. So that's kind of why I'm making this video. It's going to be super short, and I'm so sorry. It's not going to be like any of the other videos. I'm prepared for all the dislikes on this one because it's not going to have any real like dropshipping value on it. And this is pretty much going to be like my time capsule for YouTube. So this is where I'm documenting my goals. I have a lot of other goals in my room. You know, I'm just going over the very broad ones here on the channel. But this is it, guys. I want to come back in a year and I want to see this video. I want to rewatch it and I want to say I did everything that I wanted to do. And so I seriously encourage you guys to do something, because if you never set goals, there's no way you can achieve them. You won't know what you're working towards. But if you have the end goal in mind, if you have the finish line in mind, if you know what you want, every single day you can work a little bit harder to get closer to what you want. And like I said, it doesn't have to be a car. It doesn't have to be anything, guys. If you just want to work less, that is it. That is all it has to be. It doesn't have to be unrealistic. It's not like next year I want to be a billionaire. No, like just set a goal and achieve it, and it will feel good and it will make you feel good. And then once you get there, set another one, and then set another one, and then set another one, and keep climbing up the ladder. So guys, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I apologize, this isn't going to be a value-filled video. But if you want, go ahead and leave your goals in the comment section below. You can come back in a year with me, or you can just write it on a piece of paper and put it on a wall, put it on the fridge. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you set goals this year, guys. Really, it's so important. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and we will climb this ladder in 2018. We are going to do astonishing things. All the people that are telling me to go to college right now, I'm going to shut them all up. So just, you know, we're going to do this together, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, so one last thing I wanted to say is, like, there's no way to put this in words, but the power that your brain has is ridiculous, guys. What you're able to do with your mind is insane. Everything is in the brain, okay? And if you believe something, if you believe you can do something, you can. Like, anything is achievable. Literally anything. I haven't even been dropshipping for half a year. I haven't done anything for half a year. And I've wanted this more than anything, because I knew that if this didn't work, I would be going to college. And I didn't want that. So just because I wanted something so bad, I was able to achieve it. Just like just drop shipping in general. And now I'm doing what I've always wanted to do since I was a kid, and that's kind of be a public figure on YouTube, and that's kind of help people. You know, just be on YouTube, just be recognized, be respected for something. And I'm doing everything I've ever wanted to do. And it's all because it's all in the mind. It's all the power of your brain, guys. So along with setting goals, along with doing all that, I wanted to tell you guys how much my life has changed in 4 months, 4, 5, 6 months, how much has changed. I went from like literally getting ready to go to college, getting ready to go $50,000 into debt to do something that I didn't even care about. And I'm literally gonna buy my favorite car in a couple of months. Like, this is insane. I don't have college, it's just crazy. I can do whatever I want with my time. And This is not something to motivate you to go and buy my stuff. That's not it at all. I'm just saying, when you guys are setting goals, just understand that anything is possible. If you set a goal with the mindset, I'm probably not gonna, I'm not gonna achieve this, or I'm probably not gonna be able to do this, then you won't be able to. You need to actually believe that you can do something, and that is when you will do it. That is when you'll be successful. So I don't want to drag this along, but there's just so much I can say. Like, one thing, this is the last thing, because I'm so proud of this. Yesterday I commented on Graham Stephan's channel, and I don't know if you guys know who he is, but he's a huge real estate guy. He's about to hit 100,000 subscribers, and I commented on his channel, and he sent me an email, and like, we set up lunch. Like, we actually set up lunch. And this is somebody that I was watching for years. This is somebody, like, I couldn't even dream of going to lunch with him, and I don't know why, but here I am. I'm going to lunch with this role model. This is the guy that got me into real estate, which got me into dropshipping, which got me to where I am today. And I'm actually going out to lunch. It's like, it's insane to me. It's incredible. And it's all because I stepped out of my shell and I did something. So this year, we're going to leave everything behind. And in 2018, I want you guys to do the same thing. Come with me. Like, I'm going to do things that I'm not okay with. I'm going to do things that I'm not comfortable with. Come with me, step out of your bubbles, and let's do this together. Like, whatever it is, whatever your goals are, it doesn't matter. You have to achieve them. You have to set them. This is so important, guys. Seriously, write them down on a piece of paper right now while you're watching this video, and laminate that shit, and then put it in your wallet or in your purse, or hang it up on your wall. Whatever it takes, guys. Every day you need to be reading these things. And if you want it as bad as you say you do, if you really, really, really want it, and if that's all you think about is the end goal, if that's all you have in your mind, then you'll achieve your goal next year. For sure. If that's all you want, you will achieve it. Like, it's just insane, guys. The power of the mind is insane. So I'm going to leave it off with that. I hope you guys have a safe New Year's. Don't drink and drive, obviously. Just be safe, make good decisions, and I will see you guys next year. I can't wait to start this year with you guys. I'm so incredibly hyped up, guys. I'm so hyped up. I will see you guys all next year.